Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you opened Telegram, typed a message and hit send and nothing happened to the message you sent? Do not worry, this problem is more common than you might think. And in this video, I'll show you several ways to fix Telegram messages not sent issues. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Open a website or another browser that uses the same internet connection. For instance, I'll open Chrome browser and I'll load up this site from Chrome browser. Now, if this site loads using that particular internet connection, that is to say the issue is not from your internet connection, go back to Telegram. The second solution is to restart Telegram. Now, if you are using Android, most Android phone, you can easily restart an application by swiping from bottom to up. Then you close the application. Restarting the application simply means closing the application. Now, if after you restart the application, you open the application and send the message is still not sending, don't worry. Let me take you to the next step. The next step is to restart your phone. If after restarting the Telegram application and the issue hasn't been fixed, the next solution is to restart your phone, be it Android or iPhone. A simple reboot can fix temporary software glitches that stops application from working properly. Go ahead and restart your phone in a way you can restart the phone. And if after restarting the phone, the issue still persists, check if Telegram is down. Now, sometimes the problem isn't on your phone. Telegram server may be experiencing an outage or a network failure. So if many Telegram users are reporting the same issues, all you can do is wait until the service is restored. Now, another important solution that can solve this issue is to update your Telegram application. Now, using an outdated version of Telegram can cause bugs. To update your Telegram, go to your Google Play Store if you are using Android and type in Telegram. Now, once you type in Telegram, if you see the update message here, tap on update to update the application. But if you see open, it means that the application is up to date. Another important solution that can solve this issue is to clear your Telegram cache. If you are using Android, it's very easy. Go to your settings. Now go to your apps. In my own phone, it shows app management. Tap on app management. Scroll down, look for Telegram application. So I'm going to select Telegram. Under the Telegram, tap on storage usage. Look for cache. Tap on clear cache. Now with this, it can solve the issue. Go ahead and check if the issue has been corrected. Another solution is to check the date and time of your phone. Incorrect date and time settings can interfere with secure connection. Open your phone settings and go to date and time. Search for date and time on the search box, or you can go to system and update in most Android phone. Look for date and time under system and update. Here is it. And make sure you turn on automatic date and time. Then reopen Telegram to see if the issue is still there. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, make sure you disable any VPN or any proxy that you have in your phone. As a last solution, in case you've tried every other solution I've mentioned here, please reinstall Telegram. If none of the previous method works, uninstall the Telegram and install it again. Now, after signing back into your account, check if the issue has been resolved. And if it still persists, that's to say you may have been restricted by Telegram for sending messages. So guys, if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. And let me know in the comment section which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in my next video.